Professor, the gold rates are up again. 12,516 per gram. Yeah, although experiencing monthly volatility, there has been 32% increase from past 6 months. Guys, big news. Next year is going to be my year because before this year ends, I will finally have a girlfriend. Wait, what? Japanese AI dolls don't count, bro. Unless, of course, you are planning to build one. In that case, it's technical innovation. No, 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 no. This time it's real. I'm throwing a New Year's party. So grand, so legendary. Every girl there will fall in love with my generosity and taste. Generosity and taste? Brace yourself for Bale Pre party, guys. Imagine this, guys. Fancy Mexican food, Italian wine, German beer, English music, and lights that scream luxury. I'll be Desi Gatsby. My goodness, did you find a treasure somewhere in the toilet? Or did you raid the pyramids being Desi Indiana Jones? Careful, don't make mummy or GF. No, my dear peasants, I just got my year end bonus, and the first thing I ordered was new iPhone 17 Pro. And the rest of the bonus, I'm investing in this party. Think about it. Social ROI. My new girlfriend will be emotional profit. Simple. If you invest like that, you will remain poor forever. Poor? How? It's my bonus, my reward. I want to enjoy it. That's what most people think, and that's why they remain poor forever. What do you mean? Isn't bonus money meant to be enjoyed? The rich? They follow a secret rule, the bonus rule. Let me explain. Simple. What you are experiencing isn't something new. It's the same trap most people fall into when they suddenly receive some extra money. In behavioral finance, it's called windfall effect. Windfall, like wind hitting your wallet and everything falls out? Close enough. It's what happens when people treat sudden extra money, like lottery or bonuses, as free money. They splurge until the only thing left is the receipt. See, when an unexpected money shows up, like a bonus or a lottery, your brain doesn't consider it as your regular salary. It puts it in a separate mental file called as unearned gain. So for you, it feels like free money to spend faster and guilt free. See this guy simple? Michael Carroll, a 19-year-old garbage collector in UK. Once he won $10 million lottery, bought cars, gold chains, threw wild parties, and even gave away money like Christmas gifts. 7 years later, lost it all, went right back to being a garbage man from jackpot to dustbin, literally. What? That actually happens? Empirical studies confirm this too. When participants were given unexpected cash, their spending rates doubled compared to those anticipating money. The suddenness activated reward circuitry, lowering self control. Professor, if you explain any slower, your next lecture might qualify as meditation. Then tell me, what do the rich do with their bonuses? How do they not end up broke like me? Alright, Professor, let's tag team this one. Agreed. Let's break down exactly what the rich do differently. Alright, everyone, this part you will want to screenshot because we are about to decode how the rich treat their bonuses, the secret ritual that keeps them rich. Let's break down top 3 bonus allocation rituals that turn one time bonuses into lifelong wealth. Number 1, the 80-20 automatic split. When bonus lands, the wealthy never decide what to do with it. They automate it. 80% is instantly routed towards savings or investments. The 20% remains in the savings account. This pre commitment structure eliminates emotional interference, saving you from your temptation. That's the real flex simple. Rich people don't wait to decide what to save, they decide and automate forever. 80% goes into wealth even before temptation sends a notification. It's like setting your money on autopilot where destination is financial freedom. So they don't trust willpower, they build systems. Exactly simple. Willpower is unreliable, automation isn't. Number 2, the envelope reframing ritual. This ritual reframes your perception. You divide your bonus into three envelopes or digital jars: 50% towards your growth, like investments or debt reduction, 20% for fun, the remaining 30% for your long term goals or emergency fund. This categorization allows for mental accounting, turning windfall money into structured allocation. Basically simple, you're outsmarting your own brain. Instead of thinking bonus money is party money, think like investment money, savings money, future me reward money. So I can still celebrate, but responsibly, precisely. Small rewards sustain motivation, whereas structure safeguards growth. Number three, the 5-minute deposit rule. When your bonus notification arrives, don't open it immediately. Pause for 5 minutes. Let your emotional high fade. Then transfer at least 70% of it into your investment account. This temporal delay reduces your impulsive behavior and reinforces intentional action. Frankly simple, this one's my favorite. These 5 minutes decide whether you act as a spender or as an investor. This pause cools down your dopamine rush, then your future self win even before your inner shopper locks in. Okay, I got this. Next time I get my bonus, 80% straight into my investment, and the rest of it, smaller, classier parties. Fewer guests, maybe a champagne, but actual conversations this time. Huh, the man's still chasing love, just with asset allocation. At least he's diversified his risk, both financially and romantically. Here's the truth: wealth isn't built from bonuses, it's built from how you manage them. Automate, allocate, and secure your future. Yeah, don't be like me, turning your bonuses into one night buffet. Split it smart, don't spend it fast. So, guys, even before your next bonus hits, hit like, share it with your party loving friends, and subscribe to Think Rich with Vishakh, because the real bonus is financial wisdom.